Hello, this is a quick orientation video as part of the Basic IMA training course, helping you prepare for the upcoming IMA regional workshop. What is an IMA? The Marine Mammal Protected Areas Task Force has defined an IMA as a discrete portion of habitat, important for one or more marine mammal species that has the potential to be delineated and managed for conservation. This definition can be further explained from three basic parts. 1. We consider that a discrete portion of habitat is an area in the marine environment, as well as adjacent freshwater or terrestrial environments, that is individually separate and distinct from its surroundings. 2. That an IMA is considered important to marine mammals through an assessment as being of high conservation value to the survival of marine mammal species, and the loss of this habitat would negatively impact upon this. And 3, the area can be clearly drawn on a map with a defensible boundary based on best available evidence that could be implemented into action using legal or other voluntary means. So here we have an example. Here is an area that has been identified as an IMA, having been through an expert-based biocentric identification and assessment process conducted in collaboration with the marine mammal experts and knowledge holders. However, this process is overseen by the IMA Secretariat, and it relies on other processes external to our program to succeed. The IMA must be based on robust, best available evidence of marine mammal distribution and abundance, habitat use, and local attributes deemed special. This often comes from data collection and fieldwork carried out by independent research groups surveying the area for the presence of marine mammals. In addition, further statistical analysis is often undertaken by researchers in an academic institution or research lab for publication in peer-reviewed scientific journals. It is with this existing knowledge gathered together in the form of invited experts and published research that the IMA process can begin to identify areas and classify them within the global IMA network. So we see what happens to create an IMA. However, the purpose of an IMA is to help improve the survival of marine mammals and their habitats. As IMAs are not legally binding tools, this knowledge is provided as a layer of information to inform the decision-making of those creating laws and rules that underpin this effort. This can include, but is not limited to, government-led marine protected area stakeholder processes in open consultation with the wider community of experts, including non-marine mammal species and habitats, and user groups. So, in summary, IMAs are discrete portions of habitat important for one or more marine mammal species that have the potential to be delineated and managed for conservation. IMAs are based on existing information and data coming from fieldwork and analyses which can be used to draw clear defensible boundaries. IMAs are focused around the biological and ecological importance of an area to marine mammals and are assessed by an expert group drawn from the wider marine mammal expert community. Once IMAs are classified, the knowledge of that area is made available as a layer to aid decision makers to create new legally binding or voluntary rules to manage that area, ensuring the protection of that habitat. Thank you for watching this part of the IMA Basic Training course to help prepare you for the Regional Expert Workshop. Please watch the other parts of this Basic Training course series to learn more about the IMA program and the aims of the workshop.